chrome, chrome, chrome.
It's time to stop!
I heard that everything is chrome in the future, you know?
It is. Because guess what? Kansei got new finishes, baby.
And guess what it is?
Are you tearing it off?
Yeah,
It's black.
it's chrome.
Oh. Oh, baby. This is the first time we're seeing this. Oh, my goodness.
God dang.
Perfect.
Get the sunglasses out.
Yeah, we have two new finishes. Well, one new finish for two wheels at Kansei. We officially introduced the Astro and the new Kansei 7 in a chrome finish, and these things look absolutely wicked, dude.
These look gnarly. They look super good. Now, is this actual real chrome or is it?
So this is actual, authentic,
Oh, no way.
genuine chrome.
It
Yes,
is?
This is
Oh.
actual chrome plating.
Should I not touch it?
No, you're good.
Oh, okay.
So the reason Dakota asked that is because chrome is kind of popular as it's become in the last few years. The process itself has not been as popular. A lot of brands and companies have been going what's known as PVD finish, which is a vacuum kind of formed finish in a sense. It's not real chrome, and that's for a couple reasons. One, it's way cheaper. Two, way more environmentally friendly. Chroming is not very friendly with all of the toxins and shit that's involved in the chemical process that is used. So a lot of brands and a lot of companies and manufacturers don't even offer true chroming process anymore. So Kansei still somehow managed to find a place that is chroming these big old wheels, and I think that's pretty cool because the true chrome does have a really, really good look to it.
It looks phenomenal. This is next level, especially too, wheels always transform once you get like a set of tires on them, and then once you put them on the car. So I'm imagining these once they are on a vehicle, and they are just gonna be insane.
Absolutely. So a lot of people have been asking for more chrome options, specifically in these two wheels.
Like Squidward.
Like Squidward is always asking for chrome, and they delivered. I think that's super cool. I love when companies take feedback from their audience and what people want, and especially something like this where, like I said, it's not super easy anymore to introduce a new chrome finish onto your wheels. So the fact that they were able to secure that and get that done, I think is absolutely killer. And dude, these things look
They're just
absolutely
glistening.
wild. Yeah.
They are glistening. I think the 7 is my favorite.
Yeah?
It just looks right. I don't know what it is. I mean, the Astros, they look phenomenal too. However, the Astro is kind of inspired by Blitz 03s, and I feel like with chrome, it really seals the deal on it being Blitz 03, that look, which is cool. It's a different, design. It's just kind of like inspired by the Blitz 03. But I don't know, the 7s just look killer in that chrome.
I think too, because it's like their newer design too, and it's like they're learning from each design, it seems like, and yeah, in this finish, it absolutely pops. Like you get a lot of concavity too. This is I believe this is a 19 by 10 and a half.
Yep, this is a 10 and a half.
Because this thing is freaking wide. So yeah, any size that they are available in, they are coming in a chrome finish option, but it does come at a cost.
Like how much are we talking?
I'm talking starting around $1,956 a set in an 18 by 8.5. Oh. And topping out at almost $2,200 a set in the 19-inch option.
So you're telling me you're getting these, you gotta be a big baller.
I mean, it's a pretty penny.
Yeah.
I mean, that is pushing into like work and like grand
your
light
options open vastly once you get over $2,000 per set of wheel, and you can get a lot of wheels. You can get forged options once you're over that $2,000 mark.
Yeah,
so it is something to consider. But like you were saying too, the process of chroming, it ain't cheap. You ever see those like big rig chrome shops? Go in there for your super trucking and ask them how much it is to chrome something.
It ain't cheap.
It's not going to be cheap at all. So that process is what you pay for. It does look phenomenal. I love the chrome and like how it brightens up the wheel because it allows you to see the full detail of the wheel. You see every curve, every edge. When you get the darker colors, some of them look good, like graphite and stuff like that. But you start losing detail, it starts shadowing out this, and maybe just because, we have the lights directly on them too, but you see everything, and it looks phenomenal. I love the concavity and how it all just is pronounced, but man, you're gonna have to pay for it.
Yeah. So, is it worth it? That's up to you to decide, I guess. But I think it's super cool that they introduced a chrome finish. I think it looks absolutely killer. We've already started to see some of these on some builds, and there was like a pink IS300 like drift build that Kansei shared with the chrome 7s on it, and it looked freaking gnarly. So excited to see these out in the wild coming up here hopefully soon. And of course we do have these on the Martini Works website now. So if you're looking to pick up a set for yourself, price out what that might be for you, or if you need help picking out some sizes for your car, shoot us a message. We're more than happy to help you out. Otherwise they are available over on the website for you to go check out.
I'm gonna have to start saving up, dude. My big chungus life.
Anyway, go check these out on martiniworks.com. Shout out Kansei for keep killing it in the game. These look absolutely incredible. We'll see you later.